Inside the box, Beelink keeps things simple and practical. The package includes the EQi 304 mini PC, an AC power cable, an HDMI cable, and basic documentation. Since the power supply is already integrated inside the chassis, there is no bulky external adapter to deal with, which makes the unboxing experience cleaner and the final setup much easier to manage. The mini PC feels compact, clean, and easy to set up, with a gray chassis, rounded edges, and a textured top panel that gives it a more refined look than a basic office mini PC. The EQi 304 has a compact square chassis and weighs around 500 grams, making it easy to place while still feeling solid on the desk. Its restrained design, textured top panel, and discreet Beelink logo give it a clean, professional look, suitable for a home office, business workstation, network cabinet, or living room media setup. EQi 304 feels thoughtfully designed for real-world productivity. It is compact, quiet, and well-equipped, with practical ports, internal expansion, multi-monitor support, and fast 10 gigabit Ethernet networking. It is an excellent fit for office work, web publishing, content management, light image editing, media playback, and NAS-based workflows. Connectivity is one of the EQi 304's strongest points. The dual Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI output, and fast front USB-C and USB-A ports make it flexible for external storage, docks, and multi-display setups, with support for up to 3 4K screens. The dual LAN setup is even more impressive, combining 10 GBE and 2.5 GBE for NAS use, local servers, backups, home lab setups, and small business networks. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 complete a very capable connectivity package for such a compact mini PC. The Beelink EQi 304 is a compact, quiet, and highly connected mini PC built for everyday productivity, home office use, media, networking, and light AI-assisted tasks. It is not a gaming machine or workstation, but as an efficient, modern, and upgrade-friendly compact system, the EQi 304 is one of Beelink's most interesting small PCs. The EQi 304 uses 512 gigabytes of UFS 3.1 storage, which keeps the system responsive for everyday use while helping control the price. It is not as fast as a modern NVMe SSD for heavy workloads, but Beelink adds 2 internal M.2 280 PCIe slots, giving users a practical upgrade path for more storage later. This mini PC combines Intel's efficient Core 3304 platform with 16 gigabytes LPDDR5 memory, 512 gigabytes UFS 3.1 storage, dual Thunderbolt 4, and 10 GBE networking. Its compact chassis, integrated power supply, and quiet cooling make it a practical, well-connected mini PC, although the unusual storage configuration deserves consideration.